Whoa, welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing PAW Patrol Bowling. What?
Bowling.
Bowling, yeah, PAW Patrol Bowling all around the park. And we're gonna slide the balls down the slides. And we're gonna try to hit the pieces, the bowling pieces. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the first slide.
First try.
All right, first try. Let's see. Ooh, you got them all.
Instant replay.
Oh my God, a big strike. Yeah. Let's try one more time.
Yeah.
Whoa, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Oh, whoa, you're getting so good at this. You got a big strike and you got them all down. Let's celebrate.
Yay!
All right, let's move on to the next slide.
Yeah.
So now we have come to the other side of the big pirate ship. And we are on the little Wiggly slide. Are you ready to see if you can hit them all?
Yeah.
All right, let's try the first one. Whoa, oh my God, we got a jackpot. Hit all the pieces.
Let's try the next round.
Whoa, so we are on to our second try on our second slide. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's try two at the same time.
Oh,
Instant replay.
oh my God.
Try it again.
Yes, let's try it again. All right, let's do the second try.
Let's do one. Instant replay.
You missed that one and oh, you missed it again. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
All right, this one is kind of hard. This is our third try. Let's go.
Instant replay.
Yeah!
Yay! Now let's go to the third one. And slide down. Woo!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a try. Throw your first one. Ooh, let's try it one more time. Ooh, you got one. Good job. Let's get our second try.
Yeah.
The wind knocked down a bowling pin.
Ooh, let's try the next one. Yeah, we got two.
Instant replay.
Oh, you got the yellow one. You got the rubber one. And there's one more standing, but that's gonna be your score. Let's go to the next slide. All right, so we got now the big slide. Let's give it a try. Whoa, you got four down. Good job. Let's go.
Instant replay.
All right, let's give it one more try. Yes! All right, you ready to roll the ball?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a try. Whoa, you got three down and ooh, give it another try. Pick up the balls.
3 more tries.
Yes. Oh, you got one more. Yes. All right, let's try to get the last one. Pick up the balls. We got those down and we still have the rocky one to knock down. And let's try to knock it down. And let's try the second one. Oh my God.
I have 2 more tries.
Yes. Let's go.
I have 1 more try.
One more try. If not, that's gonna be your score.
Wait.
Let's try the last one. Okay, and that's your score. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down and 1. That's a really good score. Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.